Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy watching and want more, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple, helpful, and easy to understand. Let's jump in.
Meteorites are rare items in Raise of Floppa too. You need them for special upgrades. First, you must find a meteorite. They usually fall during a meteor shower event. Watch the sky for glowing rocks. You can also dig them up with a shovel. Sometimes you can buy them from the intergalactic shop. Once you have a meteorite, you can use it in a few ways. The most common use is crafting the meteorite staff. This staff is very powerful. Go to your crafting table to see the recipe. You will need other items too. Another way to use it is by talking to the alien NPC. Give the meteorite to him for a big reward. He might give you a lot of money or rare items. Make sure you keep your meteorite safe in your inventory. Do not sell it by mistake. It is hard to find another one quickly. You can also use meteorites to unlock secret rooms. Look for walls with cracks in them. These rocks are key to late progress. They help you get the best items. Always check the yard after a storm. You might find more than one rock. Using them wisely will make your Floppa very happy. You will become the richest player soon. Keep practicing your digging skills. The shovel is your best friend for this task. Remember to check the shop prices often. They change sometimes. You know how to use meteorites. Finding them will help you upgrade your game. Every rock you find is useful. Players should keep their eyes on the ground. These treasures are worth the effort.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.